So today we're going to do the plate boundaries puzzle as a review. The first thing that you should do is probably make this a little bit bigger. So come down here and increase the size. Okay. Well, essentially what you're going to do is cut and paste the puzzle pieces that are on the last slides of this PowerPoint and put them where they belong. So for instance, for this first page, I'm going to look at divergent and I'm going to look through the different pieces and decide which one should go there. So if I look here and I look at divergent, the boundary between two tectonic plates that are moving away from each other. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to click on it, right, right click, I'm going to cut, go back up to the page, and then I'm going to paste it right here. That came down there. Then I'm going to go and look for the puzzle pieces. So this right here, we're talking about a divergent boundary, continental versus continental lithosphere. So I'll scroll down here and I'll look for maybe this piece right here. Okay. Here are some of the pages, some of the things that I can choose from. So we're looking for continent versus continent and a divergent boundary. We know that in a divergent boundary, the plates are moving apart. So this would not be it because there's subduction happening there. This would not be it because there's subduction happening there. If we take a look at this, there's no subduction or anything happening there, and it looks like it's creating a rift valley. So we'll take this piece, right click on it, cut it, go up to my piece here, paste it, and put it in its place. Whoop. Then I'm going to look for a divergent boundary, continent versus continental lithosphere. So I'll scroll down and I'll look for this piece. So when we're talking about continental versus continental lithosphere, plate edges do not slide smoothly past each other. Nope, that wouldn't be it. A rising in convection currents lifts the lithosphere. Nope, that wouldn't be it. Let's take a look at this one. A plate is fractured into a rift-shaped structure from being arched upwards from the convection current's lift. Well, that looks like it would probably be the right one. So I'd click on that. Whoop. I'd cut it and I'd bring it up here and I would paste it where it belongs. I'd continue this for all of the continental versus continental lithosphere in the divergent. Then I'd do the same exact thing for oceanic versus oceanic. And then here it says some examples. So the examples will also be on your puzzle piece page. So if we take a look at some examples of continent versus continental lithosphere and scroll down, is it on that page? Nope. Is it on this page? Nope. Is it on this page? Yeah, actually, continental versus continental lithosphere, when we're talking about a divergent boundary, makes the East African Rift Valley and the Red Sea. So I click on this, I'd cut it, and then I'd come back up here and I would paste it in this space right here. Okay, so these would be the examples. You're going to continue doing this until all of your puzzle pieces are completely gone from here and all of your worksheet is filled out. and then you're done.